Hello everyone. In this video, I'll briefly demonstrate the use of a global variable in Python. I'll do this by using some functions. Let's say I'm interested in the number of pineapples I have. I'll set a variable called myPineapples and set this initially to 0. I'll then make a function that lets me get one pineapple, and I'll call this getOnePineapple. As the name states, I want this function to increase the number of pineapples I have by 1. I'll call this function and print the number of pineapples I have. Although one might think I should see 1 being printed, because I'm only calling this once, I will actually get an error because I have not specified in my function that the myPineapples variable is the global variable that I wrote in the beginning. So currently the function only perceives myPineapples as a local variable, and so without the global keyword, my function cannot see any other variables outside of its definition. Fortunately, declaring a global variable in a function is easy. I just have to include global myPineapples before I increase it by 1. And then I'll run it again. As you can see, now my function can see the original myPineapples variable defined outside of it and increases it by 1.